how to fix the live button not showing on TikTok. So, if you head over to your TikTok profile and click on the plus icon over in the right hand side, you should see an option for live. Now, if you don't see this, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this. So, the first thing you need to do is make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. So, that means you need at least 1,000 followers on your TikTok profile, and you also need to be at least 18 years of age. Now, if you do meet these requirements and you're still not seeing the TikTok live option, then what we can do is click on the settings bar in the top right hand side, press settings and privacy, scroll down to free up space, and click on this. Next to cache, press clear, and then just press the clear button. Now, once you've done this, you'll need to go and force close out of TikTok. You can then try reopening the app, and you can check to see if the live is now working. If you're still having an issue, click on the settings bar once again. Click on settings and privacy, scroll down this page and click on the help center. Now scroll down until you see live and click on see more. You can then press chat with us and press live. You can then type something in along the lines of, I can't go live on my account, and you can report your issue to the TikTok support team. Sometimes there can be a technical glitch, and that's why you can't go live on TikTok.